You barely gassed this thing. Do you hear that crap? Oh my God. Oh, I gotta roll in the window. Hold on. Lambros, what up? It's SteveCurrington.com. If you're new to the channel, I'm Lambro Steve. That's my Lambo. Guess what we're doing today? Borrowing Dan's truck with a crazy exhaust. You guys will hear in a second. And we're gonna go to Robertson Tire. They just put my new wheels on. Thank you, Vossen. Thank you, Course America Rally. And we're gonna put our new wheels on at White Glove. So I just arrived. We're gonna grab the keys and I'll be back. Okay, I'm in Dan's truck. Listen to this thing. Dude, this thing is so sick. I drove this thing earlier to go drop my wheels off, and I was just like, oh my God, you can't even you just barely gas it, and I'm gonna turn the radio off. You just barely gas this thing, and it's like, oh crap, I didn't lock my car. There it is. You barely gas this thing. Do you hear that crap? Oh my God. Oh, I gotta roll in the window. Hold on. This freaking truck is sick. So anyway, we're gonna load up my wheels. So I got the new wheels from Vossen. Thanks to the Corsa Rally, I won the wheels. They're the hybrid forged. They're pretty awesome. I'll show them to you in a minute. And then I got tires in. Tires came in today, so I was gonna run them up to go get tires put on them. And then I realized, crap, I don't have any tire pressure sensors. I have 3 sets of wheels, but I only have 2 sets of the TPMS sensors. So, crap. So I had to take my 4 Lambo wheels and tires that are not currently on the car up to Robertson, along with the 4 new wheels and 4 new tires. And they got to take the tire pressure sensors out of the Lambo wheels and put them into the new wheels. So it's just been a thing. So we had to load this thing up. We had to back load it up. So anyway, I'll be at Robertson in a minute and we'll check it out. So I'll be back. In the meantime, I'm going to enjoy this truck. This thing's awesome. Okay, here we are, folks. Those are the old stock tires on the stock wheels. There's the new wheels. And put the old Lambo wheels in the Vossen boxes. Oh. And then there's the wheels. So I'll show you the full deets once we get them on the car. So we'll be back in a flash. What is up, Lambros? It is the next day because I put all 4 of these wheels on by myself. No thanks to Myron. I was back there crying. Carlos was back there, and you'll see I did I'm gonna do a time-lapse video of me taking it off, and then I think my memory card got full on the camera. So I don't know how much it caught, but you'll see that.
I've been drinking, I'm driving while texting and speeding. I swear that I ain't going home. You hold my phone and won't leave me alone. I'm blank Steve, blank Coca Patron. I'm on Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron. I've been drinking, I'm driving while texting and speeding. I swear that I ain't going home. If you hold my phone and won't leave me alone, I'm blank Steve, blank Coca Patron. I'm on that Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron. I've been drinking, I'm driving while texting and speeding. I swear that I ain't going home. I'm on that Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron. I've been hiding my soul, so no eyes on my scope. I'm hiding your hopes and inviting your hoes. I hold that control.
Now I want to show you what the wheels look like. Now, keep in mind, this wrap is getting ready to change vastly. So we're gonna change it up, and then we'll probably change the wheels up color too, but I want to start with this. It's like a matte aluminum look. So what do you guys think? Mainly just pay attention to the spoke design. What do you think, Myron?
I think they look freaking sweet.
We think that the stance is good, and we think that the fitment is really good. Now, guys, these are the Vossen wheels. These are the Vossen wheels. Thanks, Mike Forsyth with Vossen, that I got hooked up with on the Corsa Rally. So I won these because of my social media engagement, and they did a contest, and I won. So it was awesome. And this is what I won. I won these wheels. So Myron, what are you thinking? Color. What color should we do?
It really just depends on your next wrap, man.
We're doing the Trump wrap next. I think we need to do red.
Red.
Yeah, I think we need to do red, or we need to do... I already have black wheels, right? And I think if we change up the wrap back to the Lambros after Trump, if they're red, it'll be
Trump
perfect.
wrap plus red wheels, this thing will stick out like crazy.
Yeah. Myron says Trump wrap plus red wheels will stick out like crazy. What do you guys think about a Trump wrap? That would be the question. Is wrap the car with Trump, drive to California, actually wrap the Trump wrap on there and take it to the White House and park it in front of the White House.
Yeah.
I think we can get some media attention. We'll have to put White Glove WG Auto Wraps on there. We have to make sure WG Auto Wraps, White Glove Auto gets some kudos from the Presidente for putting him on a car. So stick around, keep watching, make sure you like this video, drop a like, subscribe, turn on notifications. We'll see you in the next video. Maybe the next one will have the Trump wrap on. We'll let you know.